Yes, viewers, we are bringing to you today about erosion control site. This erosion control site is along Onitsha Owerri Road Expressway. That is the location at Oba. That is after Obosi. Then you get to Oba. Then we are giving you the level of work done so far. On our own, we are bringing you the updates as a kind of independent, monitoring of projects to follow events in Anambra State and around Anambra State of things happening. That is what we are doing. So today we are at the erosion control site at Oba. Secondly, if you ask me, I will say that there is hope. Yes, there is hope that this road will be in use just very close to the Christmas period. Yes, even if the road is not tarred, but let them just, level it up so that a vehicle can make use of it, smoothly. It mustn't be that the road will be tarred completely before vehicles can use it. But so far that vehicles can ply it within that period, there is no problems. If they allow it like this, there will be issues. Yes, viewers, this is YangaLife channel and you are welcome. Yes, I was talking about, making that road, that by erosion control site, the road under construction, making it to be motorable. If they couldn't meet up with the pavement, as in the asphalting or whatever, they can just make it motorable so that vehicle can use the two lanes. That's what I was referring. Then something happened. When I visited that site, you will see somebody clearing the middle of the road. Somebody, you may see it in the video there. Somebody was clearing the middle of the road, burning bushes there. When I asked him who gave him the job, he said it's Oba people that gave him the job. And they started telling me a story of how somebody had an accident because of the tall grasses. He couldn't see the other side. And that road, the other side was blocked. So the person went and crashed. Even though the whole scene, I couldn't, picture it and imagine it. But he's the one that told me that because of the tall grasses, the person could not see the other side and crashed. That's what he told me. However, let's go to the site and see what is happening there. I'm still your presenter, Chinedu. Let's go. Right now, we are moving along Onitsha Owerri Road. We've just passed Obosi Interchange, the newly constructed Obosi Interchange, which is part of the Second Niger Bridge project. So now we are about entering Oba, where there is erosion site. Is not quite far from here. Shortly we are going to be at Oba Old Road Junction. From there we will be at a New Road Junction, where the erosion site is located. Where this video is to give you the latest update of what is happening there, so that we can be on the same page and monitor what is happening. Thank you. Let's keep going. Yes, we are right there at the spot of the erosion control site. We are about looking inside the erosion, inside the gully. Let's see what exactly is happening. Well, you can see that work is going on, but this speed is, they need to increase their speed. They are trying to create the road here. You can see the road is gradually, coming out. But they need to cover up all these places, Well, it's their job. They know the best what to do. Ours is to observe and, if there is anything that is not quite clear, then we can point it out. Well, like I said, you can see that the road is gradually coming out, but there is still a whole lot of work to be done here. They have barely 3 weeks to, complete this work. If not, there will be problem here. People that will be coming back for the Christmas celebration, this place will contain people coming from the Second Niger Bridge, people coming from First Niger Bridge, going to south, Rivers, Bayelsa, Cross River, Akwa Ibom, and the rest of them, they are going to pass here. You see the thing now. So if this side, no matter how bad the situation, they should just make this side to be motorable. Like I said, even if it's not paved, they can just level it up with laterite so that vehicle can just come and pass if time is against them. That is what I'm saying. If not, people are going to sleep here. People must sleep here, surely. I know what I'm saying. This place and that of Ozoblo, they have similar issue. So even if it means working there at night, let them do it to achieve this. There is no time to get this thing done. Yes, viewers, you can see the people that are working on the barrier axis, clearing the bush, removing the grasses and the sand. I told you what I discussed with them. They told me that somebody died here, had an accident and died. They specifically mentioned that because of the grasses are tall, you couldn't see the other side very well, and there was a crash. That's what they told me. And they are now clearing this place based on the instruction coming from Town Union, something like that. So, well, that is what we are saying. Let there be an organized way of cleaning these things. See, these ones have piled up for years. For years, you can see sand, and the next year again, now if rain falls, grass will grow on top of this sand. So the solution is to pack the sand away. Even if it means once in a week, they will come and sweep it, pack them away, so that the planes, the whole road remain visible. I keep saying this thing because I know what I'm saying. Roads are supposed to be visible. That's at the middle of the road, not by the side. Even some places at the side need to go down, but you see this middle is not good to have grasses tall at the middle. If you are driving, you are supposed to see the whole places very, very clear. That is what I'm saying. Yes, this period is becoming busy, anything road construction, governments are supposed to, hasten it up. The contractors are supposed to hasten it up, when it comes to strategic roads, scattered across Anambra State and other places. Well, if you want to have a glimpse of what we saw here at this site, to know the level of work they have done within these 2 weeks that we visited, you can have a glimpse of it and know what they have done so far from this video I'm going to show you. Thank you. It can impede water flow, leading to ponding and erosion. You see, that time we visited the second Niger Bridge, that connection road, I pointed it out. I say, see grasses, see sand is now blocking the outflow of water. This is what they are telling us here. Well, gentlemen, we have just arrived at the spot of the erosion control site. Yes, let's move around and go close to the site. This is Rogeni Tourist Garden, almost in front of Rogeni. So, but let's move close and see what is going on there. They are actually pouring laterites on top of the constructed drainage. But let's go closer to be sure of what we are seeing. So yes, you can see what is going on here. You can see they are still on the process of completing the drainage itself. Well, I can see there is improvement from what we saw last time we came. Some work on covering up on that drainage is ongoing. Well, work is ongoing, and they are filling with laterites. Probably they are done with this side, they want to fill with laterites, while the other side continues going inside. This time around, they need to do this work, or do it once and for all, so that there will be no cause for any return match again here. Anything we are doing now should be first class work, because we are tired of this palliative work all the time. Palliative work. Let's start doing monumental projects, foundational projects, and not collateral projects. We don't need such things now that things are scarce. So anything we are doing now, we do it well and leave that site completely for decades. That is what we are talking about. Well, that is an excavator or whatever they call it, pushing this laterite inside the gully to make some cover up. Well, I just wish probably I can show a glimpse of what we saw last time that we visited. I just hope I can do that maybe at the end of this video, so we know how far we are progressing. Last time we visited here should be about 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks, probably some few days. 2 weeks and some few days ago. That is when we visited there. Well, a company that knows what they are doing, 2 weeks is enough to do some significant work. And knowing fully well that the period we are now, if nothing is done here, if this place is not completed, at least to a level that it will become motorable at both sides, people go hear them. Things will happen here in terms of traffic gridlock. So, but we hope and pray that they will fasten up the work they are doing here, because there is nothing disheartening that somebody is coming home to his homeland to have peace of mind, and he's coming to have another disaster that is so shameful, and is highly discouraging. So people should be careful. We shall be careful, or we will be careful, and let's be careful the way we handle home affairs, because we know that our people travel a lot. So we should be careful the way we handle things at home to encourage these guys to come and invest. If we don't do things the way that it will entice them, they will not like to come and invest their money. That is the truth about that. To encourage people means to make this place look like what they have anywhere they are living. Our people are very hardworking people. They are very progressive. In terms of money, they are making money. Southeasterners, they are good in making money. So why won't we make our place livable for these guys to have a rethink? Well, me, I'm doing my own part to let everybody do their own part. Let's have a progressive environment. That is what I'm talking about. So guys, you can see what is happening here. We are going to have the other view of this place. If possible, we move down towards that gully side to have a proper view of what is going on. Well, we are still talking about the causes of this erosion. We have not concluded yet. Then we talk about lack of vegetation. Yes, the absence of vegetation along the outlets can contribute to erosion. Plant roots stabilize soils, reducing the impact of lowering, water flow. That's why naturally we have tall trees here. Nature has made things balanced, but because the activities of human beings that causes the imbalance of our environment, and if these imbalances, if these activities are not handled well, it will cause damage, to the imbalance, to the balance of nature. That is what I'm saying. So if you are tampering with nature like this road construction, if you are not an expert, if you don't know what it takes, please be careful. That's why it's good to hire experienced people to handle all these work. Trees, tall trees normally grows here. Nature knows why it allows that, to hold the soil, to go deep inside the soil and hold the soil, because nature knows that soil in this part of the country is volatile, can easily wash away. So nature allows trees to grow deep and tall, have their roots spread inside the soil so that it will hold the soil together. That is nature for you. So if you are tampering with this nature, you have to do some replacement so that it will not cause a whole lot of damage. Well, we are doing what we are doing to help ourselves. Then we talk about surface runoff management. Inadequate management of surface runoff, such as directing flow towards vulnerable areas, can contribute to erosion problem.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the billionaire this day. And in case you don't like nobody knows superstar ninjas in tools. And they say, what you